An army soldier sustained gunshot wounds in his left leg after KUKI militants restored to firing in Manipur's Imphal West district last night around 11:45 p.m. According to reports, the soldier was evacuated to the military hospital at Leimakong and is said to be stable. The incident took place at Kanto Sabal village adjoining Leimakong, Chingmang, where heavily armed KUKI militants launched attack. Soon after the incident, army columns resorted to retaliatory fire, sources said. During the incident, the KUKI militants also set 6 houses on fire at Konsakul village under Kangpokpi district, 5 belonging to Meitei villagers and 2 belonging to a Naga villager. Meitei volunteers of Kanto Sabal retaliated with licensed guns after the attack by KUKI militants continued. The gun battle between the two sides continued till 3:30 a.m., the reports added. Konsakul chairman D. Adam Liangmei said that the Naga house torched by the KUKI militants belonged to one A.B. Akon.
Arang ahingda thokiba problem si Leimakong Chingmang da khoi Konsakul gi yum ama yum phaniam lei adubu yum ngarang ama si yum mai thadok pire yum mapu gi mingchi AB Akhon leisabi ne ma matom da leijab yum ne hojik ki situation se nongai tabi gi maram na ma se khunda karaga leibini adubu yum sida bahara su sandok puni bahara leiba mi gi yum gi pochai yum mapu gi pochai loi lothok tabi da loi hojik tumna chakthokhrabni adubu sigi damak tadi yam nungaite akoi lengmai singi oiro kari gi oiro akoi hojik sidi akoi discuss tawraga mem phaminara kanda kari no haibdo akoi tang taba wari phirep tudi akoi thorakani hojik phodi adugi di wafam leitri hojik ki mai tharam masi sengna haibda ichino adum kuki na di oirani atai na di oiraroi maramdi moina su hojik phodi di akoi da sidi akoi na tawkibni lale akoi na khanghau na tawkibni soikibni haibdi haire adubu akoi hojik phodi compromise tawbagi wari lep kibdi leitri.
Now, meanwhile, Konsakul chief Aimsen Abonmai condemned the act of KUKI militants, saying they knew that they were burning a Naga house in the village. He suspected that the incident was intentional. He expressed concern over the public woes due to current violence and called upon the government to take immediate steps to end the long-running clashes.
Ngasi sumaina sinau group ani gi irang sida khanghaudana ngarang dangsi singmang na leba Konsakun gi yumama sumai thabirame asigi matangda wakhan khara nuaite anasu khoi liangmai naga haina thet piro haina haibigi khoi liangmai naga su thet khrebani khangna tawba male mong si wakhan si khara nuaite nan su khun gi khoi khunau sida nongmai si pangkap da kapthare yumsu ayamba nongmai maru hatat pan leire siguma thodok si aidi pamde aduna yari mkhai de siguma si tawbidana ba meyamna CSO leaders government sarkar leriba meyamnasu yengsin biyo krisuna taba khoi chamna leiba khoida sum awa si saitheng ji pi leridi akhoi su wakhan nuaitre yari me mkhai di chi tawbignu haibsi khoi sarkar gi maithongda haijabani.